Hello friends, welcome back. In last video, we learned what is sum function. Please check out that video. I am providing the link in description. In this video, we are going to learn about SUMIF function. SUMIF function is a powerful Excel formula that combines the sum and if function, allowing you to sum values based on a specific condition. Coming to basic syntax, there is three parameter: range, criteria, and sum range. Range is the cells to check for the criteria, and criteria the condition to meet, example date, number, or something. And third one is sum range, is the cells to sum if criteria is met. Let's see this example for uh, clear doubts. Here I have a data set of employee details. From here, I have to find total salary of employees who are working on a specific department, marketing department. In last video, when we learn about sum function, we learned how to find a total salary using sum function. Here is the difference is we are filtering the total salary based on a specific department. If that is the case, let's crack it. Sum equal to sum if function. Then first we have to select the cells to check for the criteria. Here department is the cell to check for the criteria. You can select this range like this or select this entire column like this and give a comma and then criteria. Here criteria is my department should be marketing, so marketing is our criteria. And then sum range, we have to sum total salary, so select this salary column. So first we gave a range to check for the criteria, its department column, and then what is our criteria? Department should be marketing. So we gave marketing, and then sum range. Sum range is we have to find total salary. So I give salary column, and then just hit enter. That's it. Here we can see there is only two employees are there in marketing. Then that's it. Like this we can find total salary of employees who are working on a specific department. Just find another one also. Here I'm going to find some total salary of, sorry, I give IT department. So total salary of employees who are working on IT department. Yeah, I hope everyone got how SUMIF function is working. That's it. This video. Hope you everyone like this video. Please like and support. Thank you.